A lot of people want to get into trading but don't know where to start, so I'm going to give you guys the shortest blueprint on how to start day trading. First thing is understand the basics. What are markets, stocks, forex, crypto, futures, how brokers, exchanges, and orders work. Secondly, learn market structure, candlesticks, frameworks, trend, support and resistance, supply and demand, and liquidity. Third, learn technical analysis, write chart patterns, indicators, price action, entry and exit concepts. Fourth, choose one trading style, so scalping, day trading, swing trading, or maybe even investing. Fifth, learn risk management, position sizing, stop losses, risk to reward, protecting capital and managing emotions. Sixth is build a trading plan. Seventh is backtest the strategy. Test it on historical data, collect data and find the weaknesses in your strategy. Uh, Now, eighth is start paper trading, write demo trading. Ninth is create a trading journal, record every trade, review mistakes, and improve the system, improve the strategy. Go live with small risk, right? Start small with real money. Start trading real money and start small. Like I just said, focus on nothing else but your trading plan. And also don't set any profit goals. I said this how many times in so many videos. Your only goal is supposed to be being profitable. So just keep on following your plan, but don't set any type of profit goals. And this is basically how you gonna start. This is basically the only blueprint on how to start day trading. If you find this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below if it's useful or not.